so today's video is going to be round 2 of the cleanup for the front yard and getting all that stuff going. So I'll show you what we got done so far. We still have some more work to do, but yeah, I'll kind of show you the progress at least. So we got that cleaned up, and then we got that cleaned up. I still got to get some more mulch, and I priced it today. It's only $2 a bag, so I'm going to get that pretty soon. And then that is our wood that we use to heat with, and it's still getting cold, so we still keep a little bit of wood under there. And then when we grill in the summer, we don't use charcoal or gas, we use wood, so we keep just a little bit in that little stand over there. And then, so we got that done. We're taking these off, and then we're breaking this up and putting some soil in there, and then we're going to do grass seed in that area and over and through here. And then this is our temporary steps. We're going to cut off a piece of this and actually put on for here. But temporarily we got these steps in. So from here straight out here, we're going to do a sidewalk, just a straight one. And then grass seed over here and grass seed over here. We still have a little bit of stuff to pick up and get rid of. The porch, the only thing left of it right now is that board that's right back there. And it looks to be still in really good condition, so we should be able to trade out both this one and the back one. We have a lot of wood up there that we need to, well, frankly, we just need to rebuild that entirely. And then I'm going to see if I can find enough landscaping timbers after I outline my sidewalk and build a little thing around this tree, because Gary doesn't want to get rid of it. I don't either. It's pretty, but it's just too big for the spot. And then we're going to build something around this tree also, and then put some mulch in both of those. We do still have a little bit of stuff to finish picking up. It's a beautiful day today, finally. So we're actually able to get some of this stuff done, which we have not been able to do for about a week now, actually. Exactly a week. So we are going to work on this today. I do have some projects coming up for some hanging baskets for the porch and things like that, so keep an eye out for those videos. And so yeah, that's pretty much what we are doing today. So yeah, oh, one more thing. I have 3 of these wicker seats. I've got 2 that are on, they're like a glider rocker. And this one right here, I have to get some screws and things for it, because when I got it a couple years ago, it never had anything. And so it's just kind of set in the corner, and we just never used it. But I would like to use it. I paid a lot of money for it. So we're going to see if we can't find some screws to put this together too, so that I'll have 3 usable chairs up here. These are only temporary until we get the other stuff done. And I gotta get new cushions, because look at this. The cats have absolutely stained my stuff to no avail. So we got that stuff going. We are going to be painting a lot of stuff as soon as I can get some paint. But we're going to paint the floor, we're going to paint the trailer, and the underpinning, we're going to paint it up, so kind of give it a fresh look. The porch, when we get the new porch on here, well, the rails, and of course the ceiling and everything, we're going to get all that stuff painted and stuff. And Gary's getting ready to get some stuff smoked for us so we can get that going. But yeah, that is what we are doing today. So I hope you guys are staying with me on my journey to getting everything cleaned up and ready. Spring cleaning full force right now. I have the time, so we're just doing it. And so yeah, let's get going. here's what we got done so far. We still got 2 clumps to spread out over there. And a clump to spread out, I think, over there, maybe. But we put the grass seed down and then covered it up over here. Got the sidewalk mapped out and got my flower beds mapped out. And so, yeah. It's looking pretty good, I think. So, question time. What colors to paint the house? We can go with a light gray and white, a dark gray and white, or sage green with the white trim. Leave me a comment down below and we're going to go from there. And I'm also going to have a thing on my Facebook page, so look for me at Life in Almost Heaven on Facebook, and I will have a thing to where you guys can vote on which color combination to do for the house paint, because I need to start buying some paint and I need help picking colors. So we can go with a gray, black, and white scheme, with gray being the body color and then white trim and then gray or black for the shutters and things like that. Be it the light gray or the dark gray, or we can go with sage green white with the maybe hunter green trim. I don't know. I need help. So I'm going to put a poll on my Facebook page like I mentioned, and you guys can go over there to let me know what you think. You can also leave a comment here, and we'll go from there. So yeah, we need to get that working on too. And so yeah, this is the end of part 2, and part 3 is going to be when I start to actually paint the house and get some of that stuff rolling. We do still need to get, like I said, mentioned before, the mulch and stuff like that, and I want to pick out some flowers to plant, and some greeneries and things like that to plant around the porch, but I'm not really too worried about that right now. I'll be happy with just getting the mulch down and separating out my irises, because we got so much painting and everything to do and I don't want to trample all the flowers yet. So if I can just get the mulch down, give it a nice clean look, I'll be happy. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye guys.